Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice, iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, you got that tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera with a lovely Bedliner. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, ripped running boards on either side of the vehicle, side view camera for that nice 360 camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, vinyl floor interior, your 6 additional seats right here, USB-Cs, 12-volt, and cup holders. You of course do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. Got your lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 53,450 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our cup holders, nice little phone slot, storage below, and your 6 additional seat with the storage below as well. You do get storage here as well, USB, USB-C, a little hook there with 2 USB-Cs, 12-volt. You do get your drive modes and 4-wheel drive, little coin slot there, Pro Trailer Assist with climate controls. Got some storage here as well, and below and on the dash, media controls, climate controls if I didn't already say that, rear window defrost, and auto stop to the start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Phone controls. Navigation, pretty easy to use. Search, recent saved, and you have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8207, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.